We've got most of the site excavated, so now we are just actually shooting our grade. You can see that little orange stake there. That's actually 4 feet above the road, which is actually going to be the bottom of our footings. So now we've got this self-leveling laser up here, and they'll be digging out and checking the level as we go. So right now we got our laser set up, and we've got our grade stake that represents 4 feet from the road. So now go ahead and put that down on there. So we've got our measuring stick with the device on there that's going to beep right when it's at, hits the laser. So now we get to walk around with this stick and figure out exactly what 4 feet from the road is as well. So now we'll take this stick around the site and keep moving it up and down until it beeps. And so now this represents 4 feet from the road. So we'll walk around and do that everywhere. Most of this has to come down a little bit. You can actually see what we're digging up. I mean, it's just pure shale. Look at this. You can actually see back here. You almost feel like you're just walking on a big, rock almost. It's just hard. So we got Cliff in the back, so you can see just how high we are. The back wall of the footing is 12 feet tall. Almost there.